How to create full interior design packages, including construction drawings and walkthrough videos, from a blank simple interior blockout model, using only color blocks and label annotations. I'll use a living room project as a step-by-step. I am breaking down 3 universal AI rendering workflows: reference image generation, custom design tuning, and precision construction-ready design. These 3 methods work for every interior space. Plus, you can generate immersive walkthrough videos with one click. If you already have a finalized plan and need hyper-accurate renderings, match your buildable design, go straight for method 3. First, export your drawing file from CAD. Import your blank floor plan. Then quickly block out columns and wall frames to lock in your overall spatial layout. Once your basic block model is ready, set your preferred camera angle and export a high-res snapshot of the model. Pull the exported snapshot into Photoshop. Launch Archive and upload the annotated Photoshop graphic. Select AI Edit, then all-in-one edit. Adjustments needed, just hit generate, and you will get a polished professional interior render instantly. Tweak your hand-drawn label slightly afterward, and you can batch generate dozens of distinct design variations with total creative freedom. What if you only have one reference photo you love? No problem, here's how to do it. Upload your SketchUp blockout image. Then upload your reference image under Reference Image 2. And hit Generate. Don't have any reference images you like? Browse the built-in reference library and pick one that fits your vision. You will still get stunning finished renders. You can also swap style keywords in your prompt to switch aesthetics in one click. These 3 workflows aren't limited to office spaces. They work perfectly for residential homes, cultural exhibition halls, and all other interior project types. Extremely versatile. Once you land on a render you love, use the built-in diagram templates to auto-generate breakdown graphics, interior exploded view diagrams, color palette analysis boards, furniture and material detail charts, and many more technical analysis sheets. And we're not stopping at static images. You can make cinematic walkthrough videos too. Such as spatial intelligent analysis, spatial thermal analysis, and spatial offline analysis, indoor light environment analysis, intelligent spatial analysis, indoor space simulation. Head to video generation, type out your desired video style and camera movement in the text box, and your static renders transform into immersive dynamic walkthroughs. These videos showcase your spatial layout and design highlights from every angle, making client presentations cleaner, more immersive, and way more professional. If you want the full set of workflow files shown in this tutorial, leave a comment below to claim your copy. If this guide helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more design tutorials. See you in the next video.